And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule recurring ETF buys on Payday in Fidelity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply schedule recurring ETF buys on Payday, setting up an automatic investment plan within your Fidelity account. Fidelity allows you to select investment amount, frequency weekly, every 2 week or monthly, and the specific day for the investment to occur. So on the Fidelity website, you need to simply get logged in into the app account, select the account and trade from the top navigation bar and choose account feature. Simply click on manage next to the recurring transfers. After you have done this, select create new activity and then choose investment. Choose the account where the investment will be made and type in your security type. Enter the ticker symbol and specify the dollar amount to invest and select the frequency. Now you can create your schedule and choose the funding source and simply confirm your setup. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.